3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Hell yes, bro. Thank you for watching Jacob Cormier TV and supporting my community. This week we're over at Huntington Beach for a little while at least. Next week we're gonna be over at Cal State Long Beach.
Oh yeah.
Go find me on Instagram so you can follow all the updates. Okay, it's raining today. Look at this stuff. Obviously we would be like trespassing on someone's home right there, but it's still really cool. You can go from each level. Oh yeah, I have no clue what we're gonna deal with today because the heavens have opened up. Look at that. So that would be pretty sick too. You'd be able to drop from the top to this one. You do want to be here. He does. Don't let him fool you. Hey, everywhere else they have real weather issues. We have real weather issues 10 days a year. We can go outside and train for a bit.
Like I almost didn't come. I was like, I should just go. I feel like these guys will want to climb too if it's really bad.
There's more people here than I expected, honestly. I thought it was gonna be like 4 of us. Like, this is the new GoPro, yeah. This is the 11.
It's the 16.
It's not as good. It is the 16, but like this one doesn't have a cage the same way the other one had a cage, so I'm already like fucking it up like all over the place. And this one does the weird. You can't put your finger right there. You can't tell what I'm doing on YouTube, but like if you put your finger right there, your audio is fucked for that clip.
Maybe
it's great. A lot of rain. It's fucking soaked. Look at this man right now. Fucking ready for something.
I'm warming up.
What are we doing?
It's 360.
Ooh. The walls are actually wicked grippy right now. Oh,
Dude,
nice.
That's what I said when I got here. I'm obvious for pride.
Hell yeah. That's how I would do it as well, bro. Woo! Really fun. Oh, there's sand. We got a fucking one of these for Bailey too. Bailey, you can come back and hit a double on this if you want. Oh, this is a cool tack up. We're fucking sheltering in the bathroom right now. This is very ghetto at the moment. This is the only way we can stay dry. Oh, that line looks boring. Fuck. Oh my god, it just started getting cold. Look at this snot in my nose, fuck. Alright, we're about to chicken out and go to another spot, I think. We're going to a mall where there's fucking Panda Express, probably. So, we decided to say, fuck that, and we're driving to a spot that's covered. Woo! Ready? This is fucked. Oh my god. Okay, we're at a covered spot by a random public fucking mall. I got some extra socks, so we're all good. We're fine with the wet. All right, the Cal State just found this thing right here. Hell yeah. Ooh! Sick. Woo! Oh, that's sketchy. It's just hard to do it. It's hard to do it fast. You did that pretty quick, actually.
Yeah.
It was like hurting my hands a little bit.
I cut myself somehow, just barely, but I think those brackets,
Yeah.
they kind of get in the way.
Interesting spot though. I like this segment too. This is really cool. If it wasn't wet, it'd be a lot easier to utilize it. But you can go from the top there. Good practice. Fuck. You done with this spot?
We're gonna go check out that front over there.
Alright.
On the grass.
Oh, this?
No, not that one. It's a little bit lower.
Oh. Oh, like through this one?
Yeah, my main concern is hitting this, my foot sinking in, and my ankle just.
Oh, it's gonna sink in.
I don't know. It's not
This is
crazy.
pretty cushiony, actually. You looking at it too? Sick.
It's not that crazy. As long as you're like rolling out of it,
Oh yeah.
I might want to take my shirt
There's
off.
plenty of grass for it too.
Clear? Nobody's down there?
Should be good.
3, 2, 1. Nice.
Oh.
Feet sank in, but
Yeah. Yeah, they did. Holy shit.
If anything, you're gonna sink and roll.
You'll be fine. Why is the shirt back on? What's going on? I
you
thought.
came like rolled past.
Oh, security did?
Yeah, I think so. They were in a golf cart. They're gone now, though, I think.
Yeah, no one said anything to us. Although we're already gonna get in trouble now.
I just want to make sure I can get this clip and not kicked off before that.
It moves like a lot,
Yeah.
so it's like it just is scary, but I feel like it's not. Like
Yeah. Woohoo! Nice. That's what it looks like. Good work, bro. Good work. Look at Sergio. Sergio's ready. How'd it feel?
That was easy, bro. That was like like
Yeah.
a spring floor on a little mattress. The rain made it nice and
Just
like
made it
soft.
squishy.
Yeah, a little squish.
I know that grass is nice, dude. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it sinks in a lot. Yes! Woohoo! Hell yeah. Good work. Sick, bro. Good work.
But you don't need to touch the fences. You just need
Just
to
go right over it, yeah. So we're back over here. Ryan wants to try the bigger one. Fucking, that's so high, bro. This is not doing justice how high this is. Like, these guys just randomly started singing over there. So now we have some music. Doing another prep. That's how you know it's real. Shirt's coming off. What is he? What is this? Matt Jang over here? He's gonna be fucked.
One more prep. One more prep.
That's gonna be sick, dude.
Alright.
Madman. You got it, bro.
Eye clear? Three, 2. Shut the fuck up. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Hell yes, bro. Nice. You are crazy, bro. Fuck. Like a fucking cartoon character.
I know one of them's got a video. I'm not doing it again, but.
Hell yeah.
insane descent.
Okay, so I'm coming back when it's not raining. So sick, dude.
I want to hit that running tree over there.
Bunch of options for how to break down this descent into different steps. I bet you can use that, go that way or that way. Fucking dope. Cool spot. Oh god.
Lay on top of that, put some junk in there.
What's the plan here, boys?
Yeah, I can send it to here. And then this will be, all right, about to film the.
Oh, nice.
Reverse vault tactic.
This is cool.
Yes.
Get some of that.
Why don't you keep your hands on the wires?
That's pretty. These are my clips of the week. I'm recording this from a trampoline. All right, Marquise Daly up first. Oh yeah, he was the last one last week. This clip is great. It's like you already know what's gonna happen, but it makes you wait for it. Fuck, dude. I would slam into that so hard. Marquise makes it look easy. Dope clip. Scanned it. Also, what the fuck? So good, dude. I can't imagine doing that. Marcio, holy shit, bro. What the fuck? Skateboard pre. Excellent tech, as usual. Oh, yeah, this dude fucking broke the world record for, what is it called? Surfing? That fucking thing, you know? Look at this. You can't even tell, but that's fucked. 115 feet, I think it said. Yeah, that's fucked. Oh my god. Like, what the fuck would compel one to commit to something like that? 115, like, that looks like death to me. That looks like how you die. Like, right there. Right around that area. Fucking sick. Congratulations, German dude. Oh, yeah, Christian Green had a gnarly spill in the last week or two. Oh, my God, dude. Oh, fuck. Luckily, he is all right, but that is what scares me about those types of descents. Okay, Andish put on a big old edit. Oh yeah, fucking airplanes go by all the time here. Fuck, I forgot about that. Okay, this edit is long, but it's good vibes. You should go watch the whole thing. Go send some love to Andish. Oh my god, 2 non-parkour. Holy shit. That's why I put that in there. That is fucked. That is so fucked. That dude is also okay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that ankle breaker. Fucking. It's a funny clip. Love Ross Allen. Sean Batista. So sick. Really dope. I think that's called a U-gainer. 2-step U-gainer. I don't fucking know. I don't speak free runner. Look at this. Fucking Shane Parkour. He did this really quickly. I think this was a Rogan clip. I mean, I would assume someone else put it on the internet. But look at that tech. Look at that raccoon tech right there. He just switched from one side to the other. That was impressive. If you know, you know. That's fucking hard. Oh yeah, this literally made it in the last seconds just because I'm fucking lazy. I gotta go pick up Sean Higgins soon for the jam. Let's go! Happy Saturday!